In our last video, we talked about tons, pounds, and ounces being the units that we use for customary weight. So today we're going to be converting some weights between ounces and pounds. Okay, so let's take a look at our conversion chart for ounces and pounds. So here we have 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. And then 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. So that's all that we need to know for changing ounces, tons, and pounds for weight, okay? So let's take a look at some problems, all right? So let's say I had something that was 3 pounds, and I wanted to know how many ounces it is. Okay, 3 pounds equals how many ounces? I'm really trying to make my Z's look like Z's. All right, so the first thing I want to do is think, well, okay, there's 3 pounds is how many ounces? Well, how many ounces in 1 pound? 1 pound is 16 ounces. Okay, 1 pound is 16 ounces. And here I know pounds, I'm looking for ounces. Pounds are larger than ounces. So whenever I go from a larger unit, and I'm trying to find a smaller unit, I'm going to multiply. So I know my pounds. I have 3 pounds. I'm trying to figure out how many ounces it is. And I can even tell 1 pound is 16 ounces. So look, it got bigger. So I'm going to be multiplying. All right, so what am I multiplying? I'm going to multiply the 3 pounds times the 16 ounces. 3 times 16. Take a second. Find that answer. You can do it like this. Or again, I am fine if you use your calculator for this unit because we do get into some big numbers. Did you get 48? Good. 3 pounds is 48 ounces. So 3 pounds is 48 ounces. Let's try another example. What if I had 7 pounds? 7 pounds is how many ounces? 7 pounds is how many ounces? So again, I want to think about, well, let's see, 1 pound. I'm going to use my chart. 1 pound is 16 ounces. So 1 pound equals 16 ounces. I know my larger unit, which is pounds. I'm trying to find my smaller unit, which is ounces. So I'm going to multiply. 7 times 16. 7 times 16. All right, so you can write it out like this, 16 times 7, or you can put it into your calculator. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 1, so we should get 112 ounces. So 7 pounds is the same as 112 ounces. Well, what if they gave me the ounces and I had to change it into pounds? Okay, what if they gave me the ounces? What if they said, 128 ounces is equal to how many pounds? Well, now I know that 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. I know the smaller unit. I'm trying to find the larger unit. So if I know the smaller one and I'm trying to find the larger unit, I'm going to divide. I'm going to divide to find the answer. What am I going to divide by? I'm going to divide 128 ounces by 16 ounces. 128 divided by 16. So again, you can use your calculator or you can actually do your long division if you'd like to figure out what is 128 divided by 16. I remember from our last problem that 7 times 16 was 112, so I'm going to try 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 more. Perfect. I didn't get any remainder. So 128 ounces divided by 16 is 8 pounds. 8 pounds. All right, let's try one more. What if I had 50 ounces and I wanted to turn it into pounds? So again, 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. I'm going from my smaller unit to my larger unit, so I'm going to divide. Divide 50 by 16. Let me actually move that up a little bit. 50 divided by 16. So let's see, I know that 3 16s is 48. So I have a remainder of 2. Okay, 3 remainder 2. Well, that means I'm going to have 3 pounds and 2 ounces left over. So 50 ounces is the same as 3 pounds and 2 ounces left over. So our remainder is the amount of ounces that are left over. So if you do your long division and you have a remainder, the quotient is your pounds, the remainder is your leftover ounces. All right, so you're going to try today, you're going to try some problems of changing pounds to ounces by multiplying and ounces to pounds by dividing.